guys, welcome back to the Simple Meal channel. And guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Thank you for subscription. And guys, continue watching, liking, commenting, and also remember to subscribe. Okay guys, today we are doing curry flour and chicken. As you can see, we have our curry flour here, we have our chicken, we have our chicken masala here, we have onions, we have tomatoes, we have yellow, green and red capsicum, we have our garlic there, and we have our eggplant there. Guys, let's cook this curry flour. Guys, as you can see, we have cut our curry flour into flour like pieces, like that. Then our next procedure is to blanch them. So we need boiled water and we add salt, then we blanch our curry flour. Okay, meanwhile guys, we are blanching our curry flour on the other side. Now on this side we prepare our chicken. Onto our first step, we add oil onto our pot. Like that. Let it heat a bit. We add our onions. We add our garlic. We add our chicken masala. We add our eggplant. We add our capsicums. We add our tomatoes. Now guys, we cover them, let them cook, then we come with our chicken. On the other side, our water is boiling. Now we add our curry flour there, as you can see. Remember, you have added salt. We give them some time, then we come back. can see, guys, we have cooked. Now we add our chicken like that. Okay, as you can see, they look nice. We add salt. And to that point, we cover them and we let them cook. As you can see, guys, we are still going. We are checking on our chicken. It looks nice, but it hasn't cooked. We still give time for it to cook. We can add a little bit of water for it to cook, just a little bit, like that. Then we'll cover and let it cook. As you can see, guys, our curry flowers are ready. Now we drain the water. Yeah, then we'll add to the chicken. They're ready, guys. Now, guys, as you can see, our chicken is ready. Look nice, delicious too. Now we add our cauliflower. As you can see, they look nice. Now I think our chicken cauliflower curry is ready. Garnish them. Now, guys, as you can see, our food is ready. Now we go plate it. Okay guys, as you can see, our food is ready. Chicken with cauliflower is ready. As you can see them. And guys, try this recipe. It's so delicious. You can see them. Yeah, thank you so much guys for watching. Continue watching, continue subscribing to my channel, just simple meals, so that we can grow together guys. That is it for today. Thank you guys.